Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Joseph online classes. I'm Meenakshi Beri, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you word sums based on division. Word sums based on division. Children, please open your book. Exercise 7C, question number 7. Exercise 7C, question number 7. For a function, rupees 250 was collected from each flat of a complex. The total money collected was rupees 78,000. How many flats are there in the complex? For a function, rupees 250 was collected from each flat of a complex. The total money collected was rupees 78,000. How many flats are there in the complex? Children, whenever you have to find out the value of one thing, always you have to divide the number. In this question, you have to find out the number of flats. Okay. Now, first of all, we will write the statement from the question only. Rupees 250 was collected from is equal to 1 flat. Try to write down the statement from the question only. Okay. Rupees 250 was collected from is equal to 1 flat. Rupees 78,000 was collected from is equal to rupees 78,000 divided by 250. Okay. Do the division. 253 is a 750. Subtract 0 minus 0 0. 8 minus 5 3. 300. 0 will come down. 250 ones are 250. 10 minus 5 5. 2 minus 2 0. 0 will come down. 500. Now 252 is a 500 and the answer is 0. How many flats are there in the clock complex? 312 flats are there in the complex. Next question. In a division sum, the dividend is 6045 and the divisor is 65. Find the quotient. In a division sum, the dividend is 6045 and the divisor is 65. Find the quotient. What you have to find out in this sum? Quotient you have to find out. First of all, whatever things are given in the question, that we will write. Okay? Dividend is equal to 6045. Dividend is equal to 6045 given in the question. Divisor is equal to 65. Divisor is equal to 65. Children, you know the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. But in this sum, remainder is not given. Remainder is not given. That's why we will use the formula dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient. Write down the value. In place of dividend, you write the value of dividend 6045 is equal to 65 multiplied by quotient. If you have to find out the value of quotient, you have to divide the given number because division is the reciprocal of multiplication. Division is the reciprocal of multiplication. Okay. Here you can divide and find out the answer. Do the division. 65 nines are 585. Okay. Do the subtraction. 195 will come. 65 threes are 195. Quotient is 93. Quotient is 93. by division you can find out the quotient, because division is a reciprocal of multiplication. Question number 8, B part. In a division sum, the dividend is 17750 and the quotient is 250. Find the divisor. Children, in this sum also dividend and quotient is given. You have to find out the divisor. First of all, you have to write down the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0 in this because remainder is not given. Write down the values. 17750 is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient, right? And the quotient is 250. Again, division is the reciprocal of multiplication. That's why 17750 divided by 250. Okay, do the division. 257 is 1750. Remainder will come 250. 251 is 250. Divisor is 71. Divisor is 71. Divisor is 71. Question number 8, C part. The product of two numbers is 26520. The product of two numbers is 26520. If one of them is 408, find the other number. The product of two numbers is 26520. If one of them is 408, find the other. Okay. Now use the formula. First number multiplied by second number is equal to product. In this sum, product is given and one number is given. You have to find out the second number. Now write down the values which is given in the question. Okay, product is equal to 26520 divided by one number. You will get the other number, because I already told you that division is a reciprocal of multiplication. Okay, do the division. 4086 2448. Subtract. Get the answer 2040. Okay, when you will write, then divide it with 5. 2040 is the answer. The other number is 65. The second number is 65. Product means multiplication of two numbers. Okay, product means multiplication of two numbers. Question number 9, A part. A number divided by 128 gives 72 as quotient and 45 as remainder. Find the number. A number divided by 128. That means divisor is 128. Give 72 as quotient. In this sum, quotient is 72 and the remainder is 45. Find the number. Use the same formula. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay. Divisor is 128, quotient is 72 and remainder is 45. Write down the values. First we will do the multiplication. Multiply 128 and 72. 2 8 is 16, carry 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 2 1 is 2. Put cross or 0 under ones place number. Start multiplying with the tens place number. 7 8 is 56, carry 5. 7 2 is 14 plus 5 19, carry 1. 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8. Do the addition. 6 6 plus 5 11, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 9, 2, 1, 6. Now add remainder in it. How much is remainder? 45. Okay. 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 2, 9. 9, 2, 6, 1 is the answer. 9, 2, 6, 1 is the answer. Question number 10. Find the biggest number of 4 digits divisible by 38. I repeat the question. Find the biggest number of 4 digits divisible by 38. Children, how can you find out the biggest number? We can find out the biggest number by writing 999 4 times. Okay? Now divide 999 with 38. 38 to the 76. Subtract. Get the answer 239. 38 6 are 228. 9 minus 8 1. 3 minus 2 1. 1 9 will come down. 38 3 are 114. Remainder is 5. If you have to find out the greatest 4-digit number, remainder you have to subtract from the biggest 4-digit number. 9999 minus 5. Answer is 9, 9, 9 and 4. Question number 11. A part. Find the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 229. Now you have to find out the smallest number. Okay, in question number 11, you have to find out the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 229. You know how can you write smallest 4-digit number? That is 1 with 3 zeros. Okay. Now divide it with 229. 229 4s are 916. Remainder is 84. Remainder is 84. Okay. Now you subtract 84 from the divisor. Okay. Whatever the remainder, you subtract from the smallest number. Answer is 916. But 916 is a 3-digit number. You have to make it 4-digit. That's why you add 229 in it. Okay. How much you have to add? Divisor you have to add in 916. And the answer is 1145. Answer is 1145. 4-digit number. Children, note down the assignment. Exercise 9B, question number 9B, question number 10B, question number 11B. Do all the sums neatly in the copy. Thank you and have a nice day.